Hi, hello, vanakkam. This is our ninth video of top 100 lead code lecture questions, and today, actually, we have completed already sliding window and one more topic, two pointers. So today onwards, we are going to take a new topic, hashing. Why we're taking this as third? Because we already covered hashing in our sliding window, and I think we have covered already in two pointers as well. So if I take hashing now, then it would be very easy to take it further, right? Okay, because hashing is very much important for all other topics as well. For an example, sometimes we may need it to lead code, sorry, linked list and matrices and greedy graphs, many places we need it. So if we complete the hashing, then it would be very easy to take it further. So today we'll take first question, two sum. Okay, two sum is here, and here there are, this is a very easy category. It's the first problem of read code, very much easy actually. Okay, today okay, we'll solve and debug it. Mm, Description is given an array of integers nums and an integer target. Return index of the two numbers such that they add up to target. Okay, so we have a nums and target. You may assume the each input would exactly one solution. Okay, they are saying that exactly one solution will be there, and you may not use the same element twice. Okay, uh, we don't need to return the same element again and again. You can return the answer in any order. Okay, order is doesn't matter. mm, okay, now we'll see the input is array of numbers, and I have a target and as 9, and output also should be an array of numbers. One this both numbers indicates the index of the numbers. Okay, for an example, 0 indicates this 2, and 1 indicates this 7. If you sum up these two values, you will get target value. Okay, this is what we are expecting. Yeah, if you can check this example 2 and example 3, this all are similarly same. Valid answer exists. They are saying that there will be at least one value. Okay, so you can take the uh, duplicate element. Actually, duplicate element means um, element can be duplicated. I mean, value can be duplicated, but the index should be unique. Okay, for an example, um, you can use it. You can use two for loops. Actually, as a beginner, you can use it two for loops, but two for loops won't be that much efficient. Already they have given that follow up. Can you come up with an algorithm that less than order of n squared time complexity? If you use two nested for loop, then definitely it will be order of n squared. So you need to you need to come up with a good algorithm which gives order of n or log n, some like that. Okay, that's very simple. We'll jump into the code and analysis. Okay, we came to the whiteboard, and I'm just writing the input. This is the input we are going to use in our example, and target is 9. So you can see one pattern here. Okay, the pattern is there can be two elements. Okay, there can be two values which can work, but there's one thing you should notice. We have a target. The target is 9, so I'm just adding it as 9. I'm taking one value here. You can just consider this as a pointer p1, and my first value is 2. Okay, uh, the remainder, the remaining is 7. 7 remains here, right? 7 remains here. So if we have a 7, then we got an answer, correct? Because we need to return the index only. We got 2, actually we got 2, and if we got a 7, then we can return, actually, correct, because we got an answer. 1 is the index. If we add the 1, then we got an answer. The output is fine, output is correct. So how we can get it? So there is one thing you should notice. We have 9 minus 2, 7, and I'm adding 9 minus 7. If my p1 is moving here, moving to the next element, okay, in this case I need 2. So if I get 2 also, I can return the answer, correct? So how we can find, how we can remain the value in this case? That's why here I'm going to use a hash map. For an example, I'm just going to make this calculation. Okay, once I did the calculation, I'm going to store my value here. The value is 7. Okay, we need 7 when when I'm using 2. Okay, 2 is 0. Okay, when my pointer was here, I got this and I stored in my hash map. Now I'm moving this pointer. Now I'm moving this pointer. When I move this pointer, I do the same again. 7. Here I get 2. Actually, here I shouldn't. I don't need to store this remainder. I just need to store the value what I used to calculate. Okay, I used to calculate 2 only in this case. So I stored 2 and the index is 0. And now when I move my pointer one step forward, I applied on the same formula. 9 minus 7 equal to 2. So if I get 2, then I got an answer, correct? So I need to find this 2 into my hash set, into my hash map. I have a 2 and the index is 0. So add the index and add the current index. Current index is 1, correct? So you can return the value. You don't need to delay, you don't need to take it further. Just return it, because we got an answer already. So that's it. We came to the PyCharm, and we have our code ready. And this is my method to sum, and this method going to have two variables, two parameters. One is number, list of numbers, and another one is just a string. And I have a set bank. The set bank going to store hash map value, and I have one for loop. This for loop just iterates the index of the nums. Okay, and this is my formula. I have a target and nums idx. Okay, I'm just applying this formula and storing this value to the remains. Once I store the value, I need to check the remainder value to the set bank. Okay, if suppose the value present in the set bank, then I can return the value directly. Otherwise, if not, then just store the value to the set bank. Okay, that's it. And finally, you can return the empty string. Actually, this is not required because definitely there going to be a value, so it's not that much required. And time complexity and space complexity wise, we are using only one for loop. So this is order of n time complexity, and space complexity, there is only one set bank we are using. This set bank going to store maybe store all the values of elements nums. Okay, so maybe if it is in worst case we will store everything, so we are considering this is the order of n. Okay, uh, we'll debug it. Okay, it started and set bank has been initiated, and for loops running, and index is 1, sorry, index is 0 now, and target is 9 and the nums is 2 here, and it remains 7. I'm checking the 7 into my set bank, there is nothing, so I'm just storing the current value. Current value is 2, and storing the index as well. You can see this value 2 0. Okay, once it's stored, I'm taking the second value, I mean first index. Here I get 2 as remains, and so I'm checking the value. The value is present already in our set bank, right? So I can return the value directly. Here if you see that we got an answer 0 0 1. Okay, okay, I have added the code, and we'll run once. Okay, it's accepted, and submitting it. Okay, it's accepted. Okay, um, uh, that's it for this video, and I will add the same code on GitHub repository, and share the link on the description. You can check out, and I will add the problem URL as well. And yeah, that's it for this video. We'll meet next video. Thank you. Bye.